Greetings all over the world. My name is Justice Ozobi. I'm the leader of the new face of Igbo Youth Association, otherwise known as Igbo Youth Movement, IYM. So many people have tagged me in so many posts. Some people claim that I support ESN, I support Gunmen, I support Unkown, I support Ipob, I support this, I support that. So today I want to make it clear so that the whole world and Nigerians may hear my own side of the stories going on. First of all, my name is Justice Ozobi. I believe in justice, fairness, equity, and love. I believe in honest. I hate anything lies. I don't support anything lying. First of all, I want to correct this impression. Justice Ozobi does not support Nigerian government. Justice Ozobi doesn't support Nigerian military. Justice Ozobi doesn't support police. Justice Ozobi doesn't support securities. Justice Ozobi doesn't support Gunmen. Justice Ozobi doesn't support ESN. Justice Ozobi doesn't support Unkown. Justice Ozobi doesn't support kidnapping. Have I made myself clear? Then what does Justice Ozobi support? What I, Justice Ozobi, support is justice. I believe in anything truth. I believe in anything justice. That's where I stand. That's my stand. I'm making this video for those of you accusing me of so many things. Now listen and listen attentively. If we must tackle insecurity in Southeast, let us start tackling it from its grassroots. The truth must be said. First of all, I've heard so many people saying that ESN, Ipob, and Gunmen, all of them are working together. They are the reason why there have been a lot of kidnapping going on in Southeast. Therefore, I, Justice Ozobi, I'm not going to say that I'm supporting ESN or supporting anyone. I don't support anybody. I support whosoever that is doing the right thing. Listen to me very well. Let us go back to what started all this. In 2017, there was an operation ordered by late Muhammad Buhari, who was the then president. He ordered an operation called Operation Python Dance, killing about over 700 youths. As if that is not enough. Even before that, okay, after that, in 2018 also, there was an action carried by the Nigerian military, supported by the Nigerian leaders, and the action was called Koloko-Dai-TS. That one happened in Liver State at Igbo. They killed a lot of youth there. They killed thousands of them. In Nnamdi Kanu's residence home, so many people has been murdered that place too. During those periods, all these things are happening. There was nothing like ESN or non-government or any force at all. If I tell you how many people that died during those periods, you self, you also join me not to blame anyone over what is happening now. The Nigerian government refuses to hear advice. Now you want me to advise Ipob. First of all, I said I'm not going to advise any of them anymore. Let us just be watching them. Because Nigerian government has no right to kill its own citizens. Those people killed during time of Operation Python Dance, Koloko-Dai-TS and all that. We are carrying only flag, shouting, give us Biafra, give us Biafra. That is the only offense they committed. And you, as a military personnel, you can even disarm a civilian. You decided to use gun against them. You killed so many of them. Then I didn't see any of us will be activists. All these activists come online and speak against such. Everybody kept silent. Nobody told Nigerian government that what you are doing is totally wrong. We are in a democracy. Everybody has the right of speech, the right of protest and all that. This is a situation that the Nigerian government can handle so easily and amicably. But they choose to kill those people. Now, I don't know whosoever that is causing this insecurity, but I must tell you that if I'm among those that you kill their brothers, you kill their uncles, you kill their fathers, you kill their sisters, you kill their brothers over their right, shouting we need Biafra, and you kill one of my own, my dear, I'm going to also join on Gunmen. I will make sure any military person I see must go down. The only place that I'm only annoyed is this. If Ipob or ESN or non-government are fighting Nigerian government, let them focus on Nigerian government and leave our people out of it. Like, if they are the ones kidnapping our people, I condemn it in total. If you are fighting with Nigerian government, go ahead and fight with them. Leave our people alone. The same thing I'm telling Nigerian police, the same thing I'm telling Nigerian army. Leave my people alone. Go and fight with unknown government. Go and fight with ESN. Leave my people alone. Leave innocent people alone. Because you guys cause what is going on here. Even as I speak to you right now, the atrocities Nigerian police are committing in Southeast, even you yourself go like pick gun fight them. As I'm talking to you, if you hear, if I show you some evidence of what Nigerian police are doing in Southeast, you yourself go pick gun fight them. Nobody's talking about that because they are government. You are afraid to say that what government is doing is wrong, but you always like to rush and condemn individuals because you know those people has no power. Nobody will protect them. Nobody will fight for them. But there is God. There is God over there in heaven. But there are so many of you that protect government. When you speak, government will come for you. But those people, nobody will speak for them. This is not how justice has been done. If we believe that we must handle everything amicably, let government go and sympathize with the families killed illegally first. Let them start from there, then come back to Nnamdi Kanu, then let there be peace among brothers. Stop making a partial judgment because you are a black man, you don't think. So you believe that IPOB will just rise up one day and pick gun and start fighting the Nigerian government? Who does that? There must be something that transpired. We must tackle that thing that transpired from its grassroots. Tinubu wasn't among those people that caused all these things before. But Tinubu now he has become president, has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. Let him go and fill in Nnamdi Kanu, settle the whole things amicably. I believe that by now Tinubu could have sorted all those things up. But no, he decided to also keep silent. But my only annoyance, my only anger are where my people dey. If you are an IPOB, if you are an unknown government, please leave my people alone. Stop kidnapping our own people. If actually you guys are doing such, go and fight with Nigerian government. Go and fight with Nigerian military and police. Since them themselves can't do things like people that are civilized. How can you win a war among your people? How can you win your people in a war? It is not possible. You cannot win your own people. Quote me anyway. IPOB, ESN, or Gunmen are our people, and you cannot win them in their own land. It is highly impossible. It is highly impossible. Don't be surprised that most of them are also insider in your police, insider in military too. How do you want to win a war in your own village? How do you intend to win your own people? It is high time Nigerian government learn how to handle things before it's gone out of hand. Call those boys to order. Let there be peace. Let there be peace. Go to those families massacred innocently that didn't do anything. Settle with those families and let peace reign. Are you telling me that assuming you killed my own brother, by now I would have also find a way to join? Even if I don't see unknown government, I go form unknown government on my own. Let there be justice. Let there be justice. Let there be justice. If we say that we are going to speak about injustice going on in Igbo land, let us speak the whole things. Government are the ones doing all these things. Government are the ones causing all these problems that you are seeing now. We don't alone. Greetings all over the world. That's all I have to say over this. Thank you very much.